Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share my favorite travel makeup bag with you. I absolutely love my Audeal cosmetic case. I chose the large capacity in pink. You can choose other sizes and colors, but for me, that's what is working absolutely perfect for my on-the-go travel needs for my makeup. I love that it opens with a zipper from one corner to the other, and once it's open, it does lay flat, so that's a wonderful option when you are needing to get your makeup. You can see everything that you have in there. It is a large capacity, so it fits everything I need. It could be multifunctional. You can use it for makeup, you can use it for toiletries, really anything, and it just has this great little carrying handle, so it's wonderful for on the go. So overall, this has been the perfect travel makeup bag for me. I love it. I love how it keeps everything neat and organized, but it's small enough to just take on the go, but it is perfect also for at home. It's just the best makeup bag. You need it, and that's my point of view.